What's up, guys? Today we're going to go over the slope of a tangent line, which is lesson 2.7. It's the final lesson of this unit. Two things we're going to go over. Tangent line at a point on the graph and away from the graph. First, on the graph. So we have y equals 12x minus x cubed. When you find an equation of a line tangent to this graph, it looks like that. No, that's for positive x cubed. Or a graph at x equals 3. So it's going to be something like that. Or we'll see. So first, y of 3 is 12 times 3 minus 3 cubed is 9. 3 comma 9 is the point. Also need to find y prime of 3 equals 12 minus 3x squared, which is 12 minus 3 times 3 squared, which is 12 minus 27, and that's negative 15. So we have 3 comma 9 and negative 15. So we get y minus 9 equals negative 15 times x minus 3. And that's basically all you have to do. But you can also simplify if you want to negative 15x plus 45 into slope-intercept form, which gets you this. And many people do like slope-intercept form, because we've loved it since 8th grade or so. Or since integrating math 1, we've loved slope-intercept form. Maybe even before. Well, let's keep going. Now we have the equation 3x cubed plus x plus 4 equals y. But 1 comma 5 is not on a graph. So what do we do? Well, slope of the line is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We learned that in in 8th grade or earlier. So we have 3x cubed plus x plus 4 minus 5 over x minus 1. y1, y2, x1, x2. And that's going to be the derivative of the equation, which is 9x squared plus 1. So now we get 3x cubed plus x minus 1 is 9x cubed plus x minus 9x squared minus 1. And we get 3x cubed is 9x cubed minus 9x squared. 6x cubed minus 9x squared is 0. You can factor out an x squared. And you get x can be 0 or 3 halves. But here's the thing. When x is 0, y is 4. Because you plug it back into this little equation. And you get y equals 4. Now, y prime of 0 is 9 times 0 squared plus 1. Because y prime of 0 is a derivative. Is 9 times 0 squared plus 1, which is 1. So now we get y minus 4 equals x. We get y equals x plus 4. That's one possible solution. And you probably would do that if you were out of time. X equals 3 halves. Well, let's find the slope. Square plus 1, which is 85 over 4. That's y prime of 3 halves. Now let's find y of 3 halves, which is 81 over 8 plus 3 halves plus 4. It's 12. It's 32 over 8. And that's going to be 125 over 8. So basically, for 3, we got a point and you got your slope. So we just graph our equation. And just like that, we are done. The two possible solutions for slope of a tangent line. One there, and we got one here. You'll probably prefer this choice because it looks easier, but again, do what's best for you. Hope you enjoy this video and what I've done so far. Next up, we're gonna go into derivatives into like implicit differentiation, which is a little tougher than what we're doing now. So be ready. I'm gonna move fast. See you next time.